Ready to jet set, road trip, or just escape your inbox for a few days? But hold up. Are your plants plotting a rebellion while you're away? Imagine coming home to a jungle or a plant apocalypse. Yikes. But don't panic. Your green squad can thrive even when you're off chasing adventure. All it takes is a dash of planning, a sprinkle of creativity, and maybe a bribe for your neighbor. From clever watering hacks to enlisting your most reliable plant sitter, we've got you covered. So go ahead, book that trip. Your plants will be living their best lives too. Whether you're gone for a weekend or a month, these tips will keep your leafy pals perky and photo-ready. Ready to become a plant parenting legend? Let's dig in and make sure your plants don't miss you too much. Adventure awaits, and so does a home full of happy, thriving plants. Before you jet off to paradise, your plants are plotting their own survival drama. Want them to thrive, not dive? Let's give them a send-off drink they'll remember. But don't drown them in your absence. Overwatering is the villain in this story. Do the classic finger test. Poke an inch down. If it's dry, it's showtime for the watering can. Water thoroughly. Let it flow until you see a happy little stream from the drainage holes. But beware, no plant wants soggy feet. Waterlogged soil means root rot, and nobody wants that drama. Pro tip, set up a self-watering hack for extra peace of mind. Your plants will thank you with lush, happy leaves. Give a little love before you leave, and your green crew will be ready to welcome you home. No guilt trips, just good vibes. Ever feel like your plants throw a party the second you leave town? Spoiler alert, they do, and some are total divas. Here's the hack. Group your drama queens, aka the thirsty plants, together, and let the chill crowd hang out on their own. Park the water lovers in a sunny VIP section, where they can soak up the rays and the attention. Meanwhile, your low-maintenance legends, like snake plants and ZZs, prefer the shade, where they can relax and not bother anyone. Do a quick moisture check before you go. Now you'll know exactly who needs a drink and who's fine to chill till you're back. Have you ever come home from vacation to find your favorite fern looking like it just watched a sad movie? Don't worry, there's a hero in town. Meet the self-watering system, the ultimate sidekick for every plant parent who loves to travel, or just forgets to water sometimes. You'll find these lifesavers at your local garden center, or with just a few clicks online. No secret handshake required. They come in every size imaginable, so whether you've got a tiny succulent or a jungle-sized monstera, there's a perfect fit. Just follow the simple setup instructions, and voila! Your plants will be living their best, most hydrated lives. Are your plants speaking a secret language, one you just can't crack? Are you the overzealous waterer or the oops forgot again type? Meet your new best friend, the mighty moisture meter. Just poke it in the soil and voila, instant plant wisdom. No more guessing, no more soggy roots, no more crispy leaves. You'll know exactly when your green buddies need a drink, and when they'd rather you step away from the watering can. Grab one at your local garden center or online. Your plants will thank you and your confidence will bloom. Ready to keep your green buddies happy while you're away? Let's talk about turning everyday items into plant-saving heroes. Pebbles, moss, and plastic bags. Your plant's new BFFs. Step 1. Lay down some pebbles in a tray and add water. Easy peasy. Pop your plant on top, but keep that pot base dry. No soggy bottoms here. Want extra humidity? Toss in some moss. Your plants will love this spa treatment. Got ferns or other humidity fans? Create a mini greenhouse with a clear plastic bag. Just don't forget to poke some holes for ventilation. Plants need to breathe too. When you're headed out of town, don't let your leafy roommate stage a rebellion. Here's the secret. Recruit a plant-loving sidekick. Your friends or neighbors can be the heroes your monstera deserves. For longer trips, hand over the keys and the watering can to someone you trust. Bonus points if they can tell a cactus from a fern. Make it foolproof. Leave a cheat sheet with photos, watering tips, and do not eat warnings for the cat. The easier you make it, the more likely your friend will return your plants alive and maybe even greener. So go on, book that trip. Your plants and your plant sitter will thank you. Ever wonder why your plants throw shade, literally, when you leave? It's all about the light. Plants crave the perfect sunbathing spot. Too much, and they're crispy. Too little, and they're sulking in the shadows. Before you jet off, play matchmaker. Give your sun lovers front row seats at the window for that golden glow. Got shade seekers? Park them a few feet back where the light's bright but not blinding. Think spa day, not sunburn. Tiny tweaks, huge results. A little plant shuffle before your trip means you'll come home to a thriving, not surviving indoor jungle. All right, plant parents, your leafy crew is prepped, primped, and ready to throw the wildest photosynthesis party while you're off adventuring. Go chase those travel dreams, but don't forget, your plants love a little souvenir too, maybe a new pot, or just a promise you'll come back. Extra credit for pep talks, victory dances, and maybe a little Leave Me Alone playlist before you go. If these tips made you smile, don't leave without subscribing, ringing that bell, and sharing the plant love, because this garden party is just getting started. Got your own travel plant hacks or hilarious plant sitter stories? Drop them in the comments with #Rhokins Homestead. Let's grow this community together. Because here at Rhokins Homestead, we don't just keep plants alive, we help them thrive and jive. Safe travels, happy adventures, and may your plants have a rootin' tootin' good time while you're away. Don't forget, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.